When first logging into your account, your home page shows 3 sample items to show how the page will look when inventory has been added. You can resort the order of your items by category, latest edition, size, color, and price. If there are other locations with a Kizbin account that are linked to this one, click this icon to view the inventory from all locations on this page. Click any record to view the details page to view more information about the item and make changes to the record. Clicking the menu icon will bring up a list of other functions. From here you can add products or upload a list. Visit our help page, download a file of your inventory, print a list, download reports, and log out of the program. Click the search icon to show the search box. Locate a product by keyword, stock number, size, color, or category. The home icon clears all search filters and returns you to your home page. This icon shows the number of active orders currently in the system. Access your order management page with this link. When a sale is made, add any item to the point of sale page by clicking the shopping cart icon. Repeat the process to add multiple items to the cart. Click the cart icon in the footer to view all the items selected on your cart page and finish the sale. Visit our help section to view videos on how to edit records, process orders, and use the point of sale program as mentioned in this video.